Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer number 5000-450-646. This is a plain bearing 5-knuckle, full mortise, standard, steel-based, 4.5, 4.5, removable pin, satin nickel hinge. This is a absolute, regular, common, all-the-time sort of hinge. And what makes it so is the fact that it's 4.5, 4.5, standard weight, full mortise, etc. Let's dissect the part number. First of all, 5,000 from Bommer means a few things. It means that it is a standard weight, full mortise. You can see from the swag of the hinge leaves there that when you bring them parallel, they're meant to be mortised flush to the edge of the door and frame. 134 thousandths of an inch leaf thickness, 5-knuckle. Plain bearing, template pattern for the screw holes. Talk more about that in a moment. Square corner, removable pin. You can just drive that pin out, which would be a standard method of installation. Attaching your two leaves, bringing the door and frame together, installing your pins. Steel base. The 5,000 is also referenced there. Okay. Moving forward, so the 5,000 means all those. 5-knuckle, plain bearing, full mortise, standard weight. 450 means that the hinge is 4.5 by 4.5. And that means specifically that it's 4.5 tall and 4.5 wide. 646 means two things. Again, it means steel-based. And it means that it's in a satin nickel finish. Not satin chrome or stainless, it's specifically satin nickel. There's a link below this video to the cut sheet, and it shows everything important dimensionally about the hinge beyond what we've already discussed. A couple of other dimensions. Shows you critically the location of the screw holes, so that if you're not sure if this hinge is going to fit your existing holes, you can refer to that document. And speaking of those holes, screws are going to be included in a complementary finish. You will certainly get all metal screws, and generally half wood screws. Not always. Sometimes you get all wood screws. You'll get at least half wood screws and all metal screws. That's typical. This package happens to have 8 of each, so you could do this either way. You'll have plenty of screws left over. Available in several different architectural finishes on steel and brass base materials as well, along with stainless. Many options are available on this. Countless. Leaf thickness, number of knuckles, ball bearing capability. Concealed bearing capability, decorative tips, security functions like non-removable pin or security stud, radiused corners, thicker gauge material like a heavyweight hinge, etc. Bommer is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things hinge related, and I'm partial to them not only because I'm a distributor, but because the last thing I'd like to show you, made in USA, a fact that Bommer is quite proud of, as am I to represent them. If you have any questions on the Bommer 5000-450-646 full mortise plain bearing hinge or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.